Hey, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. So this is a very exciting moment for me to document in my trading journey. It's been a full 10 months process to get to this point, and I'm really excited to finally show to you that I finally did it. So this first part of the video, I will go ahead and talk about my experience with trade day. The second part is going over my statistics from today's trading session. And then the third final segment is actually requesting the payout from trade day in my funded account. So feel free to forward along if you want to, or watch all the way through. But if you haven't already, drop a big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and let's get into the video. So first and foremost, I have been trading with TradeA since October 2023. And that's about 10 months because right now it's August 2024. So it's been a long time coming, and I have never passed an evaluation until yesterday. Then that's a long, long time because keep in mind, I've been trading with other firms as well. I've passed their evaluations, I've taken multiple payouts, and yet I still struggled to pass an account with Trade Day. Now, I will admit it's not Trade Day's fault at all. It was always my own doing. I take full accountability and responsibility for not passing these evaluations because of simple things that I needed to fix. Risk management with over leveraging and trying to rush an evaluation many times. The second thing is my emotional control. I've had days where I just wasn't trading well and I still traded, and I let that blind also my judgment with price action. So that's another thing. And then finally, just not knowing when to stop. I mean, that might go into emotional control because you become greedy, you become impatient. So it's those typical trader habits that people face every single day, whether you're new or you're an experienced trader. But I was definitely struggling, and all of those things factored into why I didn't pass my evaluation. So finally, here we are 10 months later, and I have 6 of 7 trading days complete right before I go on my cruise. That was last week. And then yesterday, the 22nd, I came back from my cruise. I traded the final day to get the 7 of 7 trading days complete. I already met the profit target, and now I am finally a funded trader with Trade Day. So I'm really happy about that. Like, that's my biggest accomplishment of this video, I have to say, because I just kept pushing for it. And I knew that I wanted to be a funded trader with Trade Day because of all the great benefits that I won't list in this video right now. But they are a really great company, really great support team, and daily payouts is a huge bonus. So finally, I'm here where I'm able to do just that. Now into the second part of the video, which is my stats of today. So as I mentioned, I just passed the account yesterday, and I had to go through all of the steps to actually receive my funded account by today, the 23rd. It's Friday. It's a little late, obviously, by the time of my recording here, but I was able to trade it during New York session. They created it fairly quickly after I did all the steps necessary on my side. I was able to start trading. And then you do choose between a funded sim or a funded live account. And for me, I picked the sim account because I felt more comfortable transitioning into that before I go to a live. And also, they make it immediately instead of waiting, a couple of business days. So now, actually segueing into the stats, you can see that I made at the end of the day with fees and commissions and my losses and my profits, $3,207.24. Again, first day on the account. If I scroll down a bit here, these are the actual trades that I placed. So my first 2 trades, back-to-back losses, really, really tough. And then finally getting a hold of the market, able to have my first base hit, build a little bit of confidence there. And then my last 4 trades are obviously bigger wins than the losses that I had. And that in itself took care of everything, which led me into the total winnings of the day. With my report here, my dashboard, it's going to say 6K overall profit, which is incorrect. As I showed you, I only made this number right here. So that's what I actually have in my account. I think there might be a glitch because of my evaluation. All right, so let's go ahead and request a withdrawal. So we're going to click on this button right here on my dashboard. Payout requests are submitted based on last available account info. It's updated daily at 5:30 p.m. Central Time, and in my time, that is 3:30 p.m. Pacific Standard. So enter the number without the symbol. I'm going to go ahead and go for 1,000. Click next. So as you can see, the number I showed you earlier, the 3.2K minus the 1,000 I'm requesting, my total balance after will be $2,207.24. Let's go ahead and click this little checkbox to see or to confirm that, submit, and there it goes. So congrats on requesting a withdrawal. submitted for review, allowed to 24 hours to process. Won't prevent me from trading, but the request may be denied if I do incur some losses. If I need to make a change before, you can resubmit the form with the updated requested amount. So that's it. Let's go ahead and go back to dashboard, and I'll go ahead and make a follow-up updated video to add to this once I am approved of the payout, let you know how long it takes and all that good stuff. Just like that, I got the money into my account in less than 24 business hours. So I submitted the payout on Friday around 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. They're closed over the weekend. And then yesterday, the 26th, that's Monday, got the money around 4:49 p.m., which is again less than 24 business hours. So then right when I got off of work, I went ahead and I withdrew the amount from my Rise into my bank account. And then as of today, August 27th, Tuesday, the money is already there. So a very quick, seamless, and easy process. Very happy with just this opportunity for daily payouts. And I'm submitting a second payout tonight. I'm already in the profits with the company at that point. So really, really freaking happy and just content with how far I'm coming along. So I do want to quickly add one more piece into this video. So if you are still watching, thank you so much. But it's about today's session. So I do post on my community tab almost a daily thing about a journal post. And I'm trying to just be honest about my emotions, my analysis, and my P&L on the days so I can just kind of track it and for you guys all to see. But for my trade day funded account, when you make a total of $5,000, and that does include withdrawals, then you are going to be moved into a funded live account. That's what it says on their website. So right now I'm at 4,005, but then the 1,000 I had requested and got approved for, that's already removed. So technically I already made a total of $5,000 on this account since I started. So I may have the opportunity to move to a live account. Not sure when that's going to happen, just waiting for some communications. But before that does, like I said, I'll be taking another payout and then moving around 3 to 3.5K into the live whenever that happens. So just really stinking happy about how far this journey has taken me and that I haven't given up on myself. And I probably will make another video about trade day and the live funded account and just my experience again through everything and just being really blunt about how I treated everything and all that good stuff. So anyways, thank you guys so much for your time and support. If you guys want to trade with Trade Day, you can use my code, save 20%. And then every now and then they drop a nice deal so you can save even more money. But I really like this company. I have nothing but positive things to say, and that's why I stuck with them for so long, even when I didn't make any money, because sometimes all it takes is maybe one, sometimes two payouts to be able to not only break even, but stay in the green on these accounts. So wish you guys nothing but the best and most success in all that you do, and I will see you all in the next video.